Hello dear students, welcome you all in the world of homeopathic pharmacy. My name is Dr. Bhakti Khisti and my today's topic is sugar of milk. Okay, sugar of milk is one of the most important solid dry vehicle. We can call it as a saccharum lactis also, we can call it as a lactose also. All are the synonym. See what we are going to learn from this topic. Etymology, source, chemical nature, chemical formula, preparation, purification, characteristics, preservation, uses, its purity test, the impurities present in it. We are going to see all these points one by one. First is sugar of milk. We can call it as a saccharum lactose also and lactose also. Etymology, the saccharum means sugar and lactose means milk. The source is goat's milk. Chemical nature, it is a disaccharide and its formula C12H22O11H2O. Now about the preparation of sugar of milk. The process of preparation is very easy. Okay, we have to take first the goat's milk. Okay, goat milks contain the protein, fat, lactose, minerals, salt and water. Okay, now skim it. Okay, we are going to do the process of skimming. After skimming, we got the layer of fat and we have to remove that fat. Okay, after skimming we are removing the fat, so we are removing the protein, water, minerals, salt and lactose from the goat's milk. Okay, then after that we got a fluid portion and solid portion. Okay, after removal of this fat we got a fluid portion and solid portion. The fluid portion is lactose and water and solid portion means it contains the protein, salt and minerals. Okay, so now we want to remove this solid portion. Okay, so we are adding dilute HCl in that to remove the solid portion. Then we are going to filter this solution. Okay, we are going to filter this solution. Then we remove this solid portion and we got only fluid portion. Okay, that is lactose and water. Okay, we got a whey solution, it contains the lactose and the water. We are removing this solid portion. Now when we get the whey, okay, we are adding the purified water in it. Okay, and we are going to do the process of filtration through the charcoal bed. Okay, we are doing the process of purification with the help of the. Then after that we got, after filtration through the charcoal bed, we got the clear solution of the whey. Okay, now boil on the direct heat, make it semi solid and repeat the process 3 to 4 times by adding the purified water. Okay, so you have to do the process from the whey solution up to the clear solution of whey. With these two steps we have to repeat 3 to 4 times. Okay, then we got the semi solid lactose. Okay, then add a strong alcohol in it, add a purified quantity, the required quantity of purified water in it. Okay, boil it directly or indirectly with the help of the water bath. Okay, you have to add the strong alcohol and purified water in required quantity. Okay, boil it directly and indirect heating with the help of the water bath. Then we got the crystal lactose. Okay, now this crystal lactose, add slight alcohol and dried it properly. We got the pure crystals of lactose. Okay, then grind these crystals with the help of mortar and pestle and you got the sugar of milk. See, this process is the most important point from the sugar of milk according to exam point of view also. Okay, you have to know about this chart, this presentation is also given in your textbook. Okay, go through that again and again. Okay, so you can remember all the steps. Okay, first one, we are taking the goat milk, do the process of skimming, then remove the fat. Okay, then fluid portion and solid portion is remaining, you have to remove this solid portion, so you got only fluid portion, that is the whey. Okay, then filter, add purified water in it and filter through the charcoal bed. Then you got the clear solution of whey. After that you boil on the direct heat, make it semi solid. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times, so we got the semi solid lactose. Then add required quantity of strong alcohol, purified water in it, boiled directly also and indirect heating also by using the water bath. So we got the crystals of lactose. Then slight alcohol is added and dry it well, so we got the pure crystal of lactose. Then grind it with the help of mortar and pestle and you got the sugar of milk. Okay, this is very 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 important and it is very easy. This is all about the preparation. Now about the purification. 450 grams crystals of commercial lactose should be taken. Add 2 liters of boiling water in it. Okay, in a clear flask. Add this mixture in the flask. Mixture in hot state is filtered by a filter paper. The filtrate is then thoroughly mixed with 2 liters of absolute alcohol. The whole flask is kept closed tightly for 3 to 4 days. After 3 to 4 days, a thin layer of crystals of lactose will be seen deposited at the bottom of flask. Wash these crystals with the help of purified water to which some alcohol is already added. The crystals are dried and kept in a well closed container. It is very easy process. You have to take only 450 grams of crystal of commercial lactose, 2 liter of boiling purified water, 2 liter of absolute alcohol and one clean flask. Okay, then first add the crystals in 2 liter of boiling purified water. Filter it when the solution is hot. Okay, then the filtrate is thoroughly mixed with the 2 liter of absolute alcohol and remain it as it is for 3 to 4 days, and then you got the deposited crystals at the bottom. Wash this crystal, dried this crystal and kept in a well closed container. It is also very easy process. Now next one is physical properties, chemical properties, impurities, about the purity test of the sugar of milk. Physical properties. See, physical properties means you have to write about the smell, color, consistency of that of the sugar of milk. Okay, so it is hard, crystalline mass, whitish in color, odorless, sweet, slightly sweet in taste. Okay, then 1 gram of sugar of milk is it can be dissolved in 5 ml of purified water, but it is quickly dissolved in 2.5 ml of the boiling water. Okay, and it is absolutely insoluble in the alcohol. This is about the physical properties. Okay, about the chemical properties, its molecular weight, it is the I think 360.3. Okay, then it is absolutely neutral to litmus paper. These are some chemical properties. Okay, after that about the impurities. What are the impurities of the impurities we found in the sugar of milk? So it is starch, alum, phosphate, chlorine. All these are the impurities which we can found in the sugar of milk. You have to know about this. It is very much as I told you, there are so many different kind of impurities of sugar of milk, like starch, cane sugar, alum, phosphate, chloride ion, copper. We are going to see about the different kind of the purity test for the sugar of milk. So first thing, the requirement for these experiment: sample of sugar of milk, blue litmus paper, iodine solution, purified water, NaOH solution, potassium ferrocyanide solution, silver nitrate solution, test tube with holder. All these required for this experiment. Now, okay, now first experiment is with the litmus paper. In the test tube containing aqueous solution of sugar of milk, blue litmus paper is added. Now what happened? The blue litmus paper remain unchanged, so it shows the absence of acid. Next thing about the iodine test. Take the iodine solution. In the test tube, solution of iodine is prepared. Here is, I think, printing mistake, the iodine solution. It is SOON soon. I am really sorry for that. It is the solution. Take the iodine solution. Now few drops of iodine solution is added to the sugar of milk. Then what happened? The color not changed into blue. Color not change to blue. It shows the absence of starch. The next one is the weak solution of sugar of milk is prepared in clean test tube with purified water. The color remain unchanged. It shows there will be absence of the starch. The next thing is sugar of milk solution is added, is taken and add the NaOH solution in that. The no white PPT is formed. It shows the absence of alum. Okay. Next one is take the solution of sugar of milk, add the potassium ferrocyanide in it. No reddish brown PPT is formed. It shows the absence of copper. And last one, take a solution of sugar of milk, add silver nitrate solution in it. No light yellow PPT is formed. It shows the absence of phosphate and chloride ion in it. This is all about the chemical test which we have to done to test the purity. Next one is preservation and uses. About preservation of sugar of milk, it should be preserved in airtight plastic container. It should not be preserved for a long time as it may go rancid. You cannot preserve it for so long time. Okay. Next one is about its uses. Now about the uses of the sugar of milk. See, we can use the sugar of milk to prepare the mother trituration, to prepare the, we can use it as a placebo for the preparation of the homeopathic medicines in decimal scale, then for the newborn baby as diet. In some cases we can use it as a diet for the baby. These are some important uses of sugar of milk. Okay, first one is to prepare the mother substances. Then in case of the biochemic preparation, we can use it, we can use sugar of milk, okay, for the biochemic preparation. Then we can use it to prepare the medicine in a decimal scale in case of the diet for newborn baby sometime. Okay, this is the 4 and 5 points of the uses of sugar of milk. Okay, this is all about this topic, about the sugar of milk. It is very easy, very important from the exam point of view also. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.